want to score better marks in your examination? Then you are on the right video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos like these. So today I'll be sharing with you 10 study tips to score better in your examination. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. Tip number 1. Plan a schedule. But why do I need to plan? Because planning helps us to identify our goals clearly. So you must make a timetable. It can be monthly, weekly or daily. I will later make a video on a study timetable, so stay tuned for the video. Tip number 2. Choose your study place. If you study on your study table, your concentration level is high and your posture is also good. So you must choose a place where there are no distractions like phone, tablet, television, etc. Tip number 3. Choose a study method. There are many study methods which you can follow. Some of them are SQ3R, PQ4R, color-coded notes, spaced practice, etc. Let us move on to our tip number 4, which is to study for yourself. Many students do a mistake that they don't study for themselves. They study for the exams, and which is a very big mistake. You must never study for the exams, but you must study for your aim. Tip number 5. Get some rest. After a whole day of study, your brain feels tired. So, you must take some rest. Now, taking rest doesn't mean to watch your phone, but it means to just relax. Tip number 6. Divide your subjects. But why? Because it helps us in covering the syllabus faster and in an easy manner. You must divide your subjects into easy, medium and hard. After you have divided your subjects, then you must start from the hardest subject, then to the medium and then to the easiest subject. This will help you to cover your syllabus faster. Tip number 7. Neat handwriting. Remember, your handwriting tells about your character and behavior. Tip number 8. Keep yourself motivated. Self-motivation drives people to keep going on even in the face of setbacks. Tip number 9. Don't miss a class. If you skip a class, you will not understand the concept, and understanding is very necessary, so do not skip your classes. Tip number 10. Revise again and again. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. So revision is very necessary. So these were the 10 study tips to score better. I hope you liked it. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye.